I will always. Okay, you're next. Hello! No! Ala, sabi daw hindi mo tinuloy mix. Hey guys, sa inyong tanan, Cagayan or City! Hello! For those who don't know, my family is actually from here, sa CDO. I'm the only Cebuana in the family. Yes, I'm so excited to be here again. Yes. Hello. I see the comment section. Yeah. Today is very exciting kasi yun nga kakabalik hindi, first time namin dito as a team. But for me, I would always come here nung bata pa ako every summer. Then pag special events, occasion, then pag Pasko or something. And then now we're here. We're gonna have Beanie Family tomorrow and then Miniverse. Excited to see you guys. And then the day after, uwi na kami agad. And diretso, for me naman, diretso ako to my outreach, which yun lang masispil ko. I'll not tell where kasi I wanted to be private and intimate. Yes. But ayun. Hello guys. I'm reading the comments right now. Yes. Ah, for on the 29th din pala in the morning, I'm gonna be doing a live stream. So I hope you guys watch and I'll see you there sa mga early birds, sa mga morning people. It's your time to shine since tonight it's late night. Pues, we'll give chance to the early birds, morning people. Yeah, I hope to see you guys. Sino dito mga Bisaya? Comment. I wanna see. Magdadahilayan ba kayo? Actually, I've been there multiple times and I always love it there. It would be nice if makapunta kami girls sana. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. No, okay. So actually, yung advocacy is nung 24. Pero kasi may bagyo, so I had to postpone it. And that is why, kasi sa 29, yung last rest day namin this month. So I grabbed that chance na kahit that is also the same day na flight namin pabalik Manila. Well, I have no other days na free ako and well 30 it's either 30 or 29 pero my work are also 30. That's why 29. But I'm still so happy kasi mapupush through pa rin siya and it still falls under September because actually that's what I was worried kasi baka October na siya so hindi na siya magiging eyebrow kasi September. But anyways, I'm so excited and I'm so happy. Guys, may Christmas tree na ako pala. Hmm. I would say it's long overdue kasi actually I usually set up my Christmas tree pag mga first week of September yung Christmas. Kahit hindi pa nag-Halloween. Hmm? Secret, I'm not gonna tell where my outreach will be. Yes. Guys, gusto niyo ng roommate reveal? Tease ko lang. Ay, hulaan niyo muna. Ano, sino roommate ni Joanna? Comment. Let me see. Feeling niyo sino yung roommate ni Joanna. Wala pang nagko-comment. I don't know if... Okay, anyways. Kung sino lang ang tingin nyo, ay, may nakita ko. Josie. Jomika. Stacy. OG Ships. Me? Clue, it's not me. Yun lang. Yun ang masasabi ko. Yes. Anyways. Knock, knock. Anyways. Knock, knock.
Hello po, sino po sila? Hello po. Kamusta po?
Joanna. I'm reading. Bakit?